Installing STERLING Whirlpools. Proper planning is key to achieving a successful installation. All the components packed with your product should be used. Refer to the installation instructions for product-specific information throughout the installation process. Ensure that plumb stud framing is present at the back and front corners. Double studs are necessary at the front corners if a shower door will be installed. Verify that the subfloor is level and meets load-bearing requirements. Plan for future grab bar needs now. If you intend to install grab bars in the future, be sure to order walls with pre-installed backer boards. Do not remove the foam strips attached to the backside of the wall sets. You will need the following tools and materials for this installation. Common tools to include are a pencil, tape measure, square, level, utility knife, and tack hammer. You will also need an assortment of screwdrivers. Power tools to include are a drill with bits and a hole saw. Protective materials to include are a drop cloth if a liner is not included, and safety glasses. Other materials include 100% silicone sealant, a caulk gun, and galvanized or plated truss head screws. Rough in the plumbing and drain outlet. Provide an access panel to all plumbing connections to simplify future maintenance. Refer to the installation instructions for specific roughing in information. If an ADA-compliant installation is required, refer to ADA requirements for bath and shower control locations. For bath or whirlpool installations, we recommend you install a threaded spout pipe after the wall is installed. For best results, we recommend that you install the bath or receptor in a bed of mortar cement. This will not only provide solid support, but will also eliminate the potential for movement and noise when in use. Otherwise, use the felt pad if provided. For whirlpool installations, make sure the power has been disconnected. Install a GFCI-protected 120-volt 15-amp grounded outlet. Install this outlet behind the whirlpool and within 24 inches of the whirlpool pump. Position and secure the felt pad if one is provided. Ensure the apron braces are engaged properly on the bath. If apron braces are not present, a 2x4 secured to the subfloor behind the apron will act as an adequate apron brace. Install the drain to the bath. Refer to the drain manufacturer's instructions. Move the bath into position. Install metal clips on the flange at the specified locations. Using the clips as a leveling aid, level the bath, and then secure the clips to the studs using screws that are galvanized or plated. If the gap between the clip and stud exceeds 1/8 inch, shim before securing. Install plastic attachment clips at all other stud locations where the metal clips are not present. At the center of the stud, slide the plastic clip between the flange of the bath and the stud. Secure each clip to a stud with a galvanized or plated screw. If the gap between the clip and stud exceeds 1/8 inch, shim before securing. Repeat this procedure for the remaining plastic clips. Insert a metal or wood shim between the floor and the product support. Make sure the unit is level. If backside access is not available to shim, we recommend you install this product in mortar cement. Install the back wall. Engage the tabs on the back wall with the slots in the unit Mark hole locations for the faucet components on the end wall. Remove the end wall. Determine hole sizes required for faucet components. Make sure the escutcheon, flange, or cover plate will be large enough to cover the drilled holes. Always follow the instructions included with your valve and fittings. Drill holes for the components. Reinstall the wall clip if previously removed. Install the end walls by positioning the end wall top pin into the back wall pivot joint and pivot the wall into its position until the wall clip engages it. Repeat this procedure for the remaining end wall. Make sure the end walls are flush against the top edge of the unit. Make sure the gap between each wall and the top edge of the unit is less than 1/32 inch, or the thickness of a credit card. Starting from the bottom of the end walls and working up, secure the end walls to the studs about every 12 inches. Do not over-tighten the screws. Verify that the walls are plumb before securing to the studs. Add shims between the wall flange and studs prior to securing with fasteners. Insert the Whirlpool's electrical plug securely into the power outlet. Fill the Whirlpool with water, then test run and inspect for leaks. Install the finished wall material, leaving a 1/8 inch gap between the edge of the wall surround and the finished wall material. When sealed, this gap will reduce the possibility of water seeping into the wall material. Seal the seams between the bath and the finished wall material with 100% silicone sealant. Allow the silicone sealant to cure according to the sealant manufacturer's instructions. Complete the drain, faucet trim, bath spout, and shower door installation. Check for leaks. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for each of these components. Visit the STERLING website for detailed care, cleaning, and warranty information. To order care and cleaning information, call 1-800-783-7546.